Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today I'll discuss how to handle stress at work. People often ask me, how can I reduce stress at work? There are many ways we can reduce stress at work. Listen to your surroundings and enjoy the organization's buzz. If you're working from home, find ways to modify the background noise. For some reason, the hum of a dehumidifier works for me. Keep a decision-making model close at hand to make decisions quickly and effectively. Practice mindfulness and try focusing on your emotions and processing them. See if there is a way to modify workload and take back some control. People usually follow up with, what are the 3 ways to handle stress? Well, one is, I really appreciate the benefit of morning routines. Create a morning routine even if you are working from home. Consider doing whatever you typically did to get work ready. Wake up time, shower, get dressed, coffee, breakfast, etc. Pretend like you're actually going into the office. Number 2, define boundaries. Establish regular work hours, share your schedule, discuss with family and friends, talk with kids about what they can do and can't do, and discuss emergency issues. Consider visual cues, rope off space, laptop on desk or laptop on lap, red, green sticky notes, post an erasable board with your schedule, post a do not disturb sign, anything to let people know whether you're available or not. Number 3, create a nighttime routine. Prepare meals and snacks for the next day, including vegetables and fruits, nuts, berries, and snacks. Set out what you will wear the next day. Wind down, decide on a set bedtime. Shut down electronics, a light snack, warm drink, warm shower or bath. Listen to music that relaxes you. Read a book and keep a notepad on your nightstand to jot down thoughts and ideas. Sometimes people ask me, how can I reduce stress and anxiety at work? Well, here's a great question. Is what's causing you anxiety controllable? Write down everything that is bothering you. Once you have written down everything that is bugging you, ask yourself the question for each one, is this controllable? Do I have some impact? Do I have some influence? Can I do something about it? If so, take action, changing those stressful situations. The next thing is to consider is, how do time management and problem-solving skills help to relieve stress both at work and in personal life? About 40% of the stress we feel is caused by poor time management. So we need a time management system. When it comes to problem-solving skills, keep in mind you wouldn't have a job if there weren't any problems. Your organization believes in you and your common sense. Maybe you should too. Having a calendar and a master task list, along with a simple problem-solving formula, will relieve stress both at work and in your personal life. Be aware, not being able to solve problems or make decisions is a sign of psychological fatigue caused by stress. One of the other warning signs that someone is under too much stress in the workplace is to recognize minor changes in behavior, whether it is their email correspondence or phone messages or word choice, vocal tone, posture, or facial expressions. Any slight change is a warning sign. There are several common reasons people experience high levels of stress at work. Here are just a few: deadline-driven projects, other people's inability to plan, technology issues, interpersonal dynamics, customer demands, the list goes on and on. Some ways people can avoid negative thoughts and promote positive mental health in stressful situations include positive visualization. Instead of imagining things are going to go bad, imagine things are going to turn out just fine. Positive affirmations. Pay yourself a compliment when no one else is. And creating a past accomplishments reference, a list of 25 past accomplishments to remind yourself of your history of success. To reduce job stress, taking breaks throughout the day and deep breathing can certainly help. Every day will be different and have different levels of stress to manage. Consider phoning a friend or family member that is supportive. Consider striking up a conversation with a stranger. That's always interesting. Walk up and down a flight of stairs or 2. These stress management activities will help relieve stress. If you and your coworkers are wondering how to handle stress at work, contact me at kit@seminarsonstress.com and I will provide a presentation packed with practical strategies to manage the stress.